Good morning. Lou Volk here, Guaranteed Real Estate Services Inc. We're here with a great new listing that we have. It's available for sale right now. Give me a call, 905-332-2207. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-floor unit. It's got nicely engineered hardwood flooring with stainless appliances. And we have a massive deck here that you can still do some barbecuing year round. So give us a call. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get all of the updated pictures as soon as we can get them for you. We also have an amazing consumer program. Never miss a house or pay $1,000. Give us a call so we can show you why we can really get you that dream home and not miss out on the perfect one. Stay tuned for more pictures and information about this property. Thanks for watching.
Watching our video. I'm Allison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Juravinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.